Hey guys, this is Kirtana from Rocky Road. So today we are going to learn how to draw a nose using some simple and easy steps.
Fue casualidad, porque yo nunca te vi venir. No fuiste una más, te volviste todo para mí. Nada que pensar, porque enamorarnos fue fácil. Lo difícil sería dejarnos ir. Cuando probé tus labios, esa noche bailando, todo cambió, todo cambió. El corazón se puso al mando. No prometamos tanto, los días traen su encanto.
You just have to draw a small circle. I know that I took a bit long to draw the circle, but at last it came out pretty well. Then draw two slanting lines and join them to the upper corners of the circle. Then draw a triangle-like shape, but the line which joins should be a bit slanting. Then do the same on the other side. Draw a curve from the corner of the line that we drew and join it to the other side. Here comes the shading part. Use a pencil which is sharp and hold it a bit slanting and shade the U-shaped part. Do not hold the pencil tightly, just shade it with free hands in circular motion. We are darkening the curves to get a darker shade after we blend it. Now just use an earbud or wrap a finger with a piece of cloth to blend it. This one was really very simple, right? So this is the end result. Now I'm going to show you the second way. For this, you have to start with a small slanting line. This one should look like a kutti flower pot. That's small flower pot. Now we are drawing the cartilage. Draw a line from the corner of the pot. Then make a small curve. Then again draw a line in an outward curve. Do the same thing on the other side. It should look like a flower vase. Draw a small curve joining the ends of the cartilage. I'm just drawing a small pot-like structure.
En mi mente, no te esperé, llegaste de repente. Quédate esta noche un ratico más. One more time, na na na. One more time, na na na.
Draw two small lines from the corner.
One more time, na 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 na.
As I said earlier, draw with free hands, do not press the tip of the pencil. Then draw outward curves from the end of the cartilage. Join it to the line that we drew earlier. I'm doing everything very lightly.
Que sigues en mi mente.
join two curves to complete the nostrils. I'm using the tip of the pencil to fill the gap to get a darker shade. I'm gonna blend them using an earbud. Shade everything below the cartilage. Make sure to make the holes a bit darker. Blend every dark lines in circular motion. Blend them as you are scribbling. If you feel that you are not getting the shadows, then use a pencil and shade and then blend them. Don't forget to blend it inwards too.
Jamás, si esto no es para siempre, entonces el siempre que pare de andar me llevas a un viaje sin salir. Siento que soy para ti, tú para mí. Cuando probé tus labios, esa noche bailando, todo cambió, el corazón se puso al mando. No prometamos tanto, los días traen su encanto, la vida es cortica, pero contigo se hace más rica. ¿Qué hiciste tú? Que sigues en mi mente. No te esperé, llegaste de repente. Quédate esta noche un ratico más. One more time, na, na, na. One more time, na, na, na. One more time, na, 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 na.
Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.